Hi, I'm Gina. I'm an international flight attendant, a motorcycle enthusiast, and also a stunt double. I'm lucky enough to ride all over the world, so I thought I'd start taking you guys with me on some of my adventures. This is going to be one of the quickest motorcycle adventures I think I've ever had. After working an 11-hour flight with only 2 hours of sleep, once I got to Santiago, I had to get right on the motorcycle if I wanted to go see the Andes. Yep, I'm being a chicken shit and I'm opting out of the tall bike for now. We're gonna switch off halfway through the ride, but I really can barely touch the ground on that thing. Not that I really wanted to ride this Honda, but whatever. We're gonna be on some gravel roads anyway. I like it though. I really can't wait to hit the gravel roads on this thing. It's gonna be pretty wild. You can actually feel the cool air as well. It's not as warm as you would think. This is a real bike. Anyway, like I was saying, we have some jugglers in the street as well. He's pretty good. Wow.
Now starts urban highway. Next stop, so we can go faster until we get out to La Florida.
Okay. Alright, he was saying this is the highway where we can go faster. Will somebody Google for me how fast 190 goes? I managed to get it up to 75 miles per hour, and I do have to say, it was a very comfortable ride. As we get closer to Embalse El Yeso and the dam, you can see that the roads really start to deteriorate. It's so difficult to pay attention because the views are absolutely breathtaking. When we came around this corner, we saw this small waterfall going across the road and down the cliff. It was pretty much washing away the road. Whoa, didn't see that one coming. As we're making our way up 9,000 feet into the Andes, you'll notice that in the corners, the asphalt mysteriously seems to disappear. So you build up your confidence on the straights and then you come into a corner and you really have to be careful. But all in all, for my first adventure ride, this is absolutely a blast.
look at the road. This is definitely the bumpiest ride I have ever had on a motorcycle in my life.
Now we have a work truck in front of us, which is throwing up dust, and I pretty much have a mouthful of dirt at this point. I am happy to say that we were cruising along at almost 40 miles an hour on these gravel roads, so I'm definitely getting a lot more comfortable.
Ooh, look at the waterfall. Oh my god, that's so pretty.
To the left of me, you can see the Embalse El Yeso Dam, and this reservoir sits about 9,800 feet at the foothills of the Andes Mountains.
How beautiful. Oh, he's wetting it down for us. Just kidding. I'm sure it's not for us. Oh my god, I have never seen such blue water in my life. Is this recording? Holy moly. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Wow. Oh. Sorry, it's a little shaky. Wait, are you stopping or just doing a drive-by? Dude. We're really not gonna stop. I guess not. I can't believe this is my life right now. There's nobody over there, I think. They're just amazing. Just amazing.
Reached the end of the reservoir. After coming around that last corner, you can see the snow-capped mountains in the distance, and the temperature has dropped considerably. My fingers are freezing. At this point, we've turned around, but instead of heading straight back, we decide to go down to the water's edge and take a ride on the sand. At this point, I'm guessing the temperature dropped about 20 degrees and I was actually shivering. I was so cold. But now it's time to take the endless selfies to remember this awesome journey.
Oh, that was good.